Hey guys, what is up? It's Mitch Vlogs here, and today I am going to be doing the Peached Iced Tea Gfuel taste test and review. Now, I have wanted this flavor for so long. Ever since Electric Shock reviewed it on his channel, I've wanted it so badly. And, you know, thank God I had some money to get me a pretty big amount of Gfuel. So, yeah, I'm pretty hyped for this. I can't wait. And, yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to grab my water. I'm going to pop this thing open. Alright, put you right there. Alright, there we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wow, the smell already intrigues me. I am so prepared. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can tell. The shaker actually got darker within. Alright. Is anything left? Hold on. Let's see. And a little bit. Pour it on my hand a bit. Ready? Alright. Here we go. Dusty. Off the bat, I can tell when you shake it, it gets really foamy. That might just be the flavor, or that might just be because I'm shaking it really hard, but it's pretty good. So, alright, let's give it a good old smell test. Yo, that smells bomb, dog. Yo, I like that. That smells awesome. Alright, so let's pour it in here. See how good it tastes. Wow. Just wow. See that, guys? I'm gonna hold it like this. I don't want to drop it on my camera. See that, guys? That is awesome right there. This color looks amazing. The smell is still good. Are you guys ready? I'm so ready. Let's go. You know, people ask, what's the true meaning of life? Now I'm gonna answer with Peached Iced Tea Gfuel, because that is the best flavor I have ever tasted. Ever. It is amazing. I only bought a box of this, man. That thing's gonna be gone. Gee, dude, it's so good. Oh my god. That is amazing. I cannot fathom how good this is. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Oh my god. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And please, guys, if you guys haven't already, please hit that post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.